Winged eyeliner has always been a symbol of elegance, confidence, and timeless beauty. From classic Hollywood icons to modern-day beauty influencers, this simple yet powerful makeup technique has the ability to completely transform a look. When paired with flawless, glowing skin and soft glam makeup, winged eyeliner becomes the focal point that defines the eyes and enhances overall facial harmony. For many women, mastering winged eyeliner feels challenging, but with the right product, preparation, and mindset, it can become an easy and enjoyable part of a daily or special occasion routine. A professional makeup look always begins with the skin. Smooth, radiant, and well-prepped skin creates the perfect canvas for eye makeup to stand out. Soft glam makeup focuses on enhancing natural beauty rather than overpowering it. The foundation appears seamless, the highlighter catches the light gently, and the eyebrows are shaped to frame the face without looking harsh. In such a look, winged eyeliner adds structure and definition, drawing attention to the eyes while keeping the overall appearance balanced and elegant. Choosing the right eyeliner plays a crucial role in achieving professional results. Lakmé Eyeliner is widely loved for its deep pigmentation, smooth application, and beginner-friendly formula. Its precise tip allows controlled strokes, making it easier to create clean lines even for those who struggle with shaky hands. The long-lasting nature of the eyeliner ensures that once the wing is perfected, it stays intact throughout the day without smudging or fading. This reliability builds confidence, which is essential when attempting any detailed makeup technique. Before applying eyeliner, proper eye preparation is key. Clean eyelids free from oil or residue help the product adhere better. A lightweight eye primer or a small amount of concealer blended evenly across the lids creates a smooth base and evens out discoloration. Setting this base lightly with powder prevents creasing and ensures that the eyeliner glides effortlessly. This step may seem small, but it makes a noticeable difference in how sharp and polished the final wing looks. Understanding eye shape also contributes to better eyeliner results. Each eye shape, whether almond, round, hooded, or monolid, can carry a winged liner beautifully when applied with slight adjustments. The goal is not to force a single style but to enhance the natural structure of the eyes. Winged eyeliner should lift and elongate, creating an illusion of balance and symmetry. When done correctly, it opens up the eyes and gives them a more defined, expressive appearance. Lighting and environment matter more than many people realize. Applying eyeliner in soft, even lighting helps you see fine details clearly and avoid uneven lines. Sitting comfortably in front of a mirror at eye level reduces strain and improves control. A calm, unhurried mindset also plays an important role. Winged eyeliner requires patience, and rushing the process often leads to mistakes. Treating makeup as a relaxing ritual rather than a stressful task changes the entire experience and outcome. In professional beauty photography and video content, winged eyeliner becomes even more impactful. When the face is positioned slightly to one side, the wing catches the light beautifully, emphasizing its sharpness and precision. Paired with long, voluminous lashes and nude glossy lips, the eyeliner completes a soft glam look that feels luxurious and modern. Minimal pastel or neutral backgrounds further enhance the makeup by keeping attention on the face, while negative space allows room for text in thumbnails or social media posts. Confidence is the invisible element that ties everything together. Even the most technically perfect eyeliner looks better when worn with self-assurance. Mistakes are part of the learning process, and every attempt brings improvement. With practice, the hand becomes steadier, the eye more trained, and the process more intuitive. Lakmé Eyeliner supports this journey by offering consistency and ease, allowing users to focus on technique rather than struggling with the product itself. Winged eyeliner is more than just a makeup step, it is a statement. It represents attention to detail, creativity, and personal style. When combined with glowing skin and soft glam makeup, it creates a look that is suitable for everyday wear, professional settings, and special occasions alike. Mastering it begins with understanding the basics, preparing properly, and trusting both the product and yourself. This foundation sets the stage for learning the 3 simple steps that transform winged eyeliner from intimidating to effortless, helping you achieve a pro-level finish every time. Once the eyes are fully prepped and the base makeup is complete, the real artistry of winged eyeliner begins. This stage is where precision, patience, and technique come together to create that sharp, lifted look associated with professional makeup. Using Lakmé eyeliner makes this process smoother because its rich pigmentation and fine applicator allow controlled strokes without skipping or dragging. The key is to work slowly, focusing on one eye at a time, and allowing the eyeliner to guide your hand rather than forcing it. The first step in creating a flawless winged eyeliner look is establishing a clean base line along the lash line. This line acts as the foundation of the entire wing, so it should be neat and close to the lashes. Starting from the inner corner of the eye, a very thin line is drawn outward, gradually increasing in thickness as it approaches the outer corner. Keeping the inner portion soft and delicate ensures the eyes look open and natural, while a slightly thicker line toward the outer edge adds definition. Lakmé eyeliner glides smoothly, making it easier to maintain an even line without breaks or uneven patches. As the line reaches the outer corner, the hand naturally pauses. This moment is important because it determines the direction and elegance of the wing. Instead of extending the liner straight outward, the wing should follow the natural upward angle of the lower lash line. This technique creates a lifting effect that enhances the eye shape and adds a youthful appearance. Lightly sketching the wing first helps in visualizing the final result. Short, gentle strokes work better than one long line, allowing better control and symmetry. Once the wing's direction and length are established, the next step is connecting it back to the lash line. This forms a small triangle at the outer corner of the eye. Filling in this shape carefully ensures the wing looks bold yet clean. Lakmé eyeliner's deep black pigment provides a smooth, opaque finish, which helps the wing stand out beautifully against soft glam makeup. At this stage, it is important to check both eyes for balance. Perfect symmetry is rare, but the goal is harmony rather than exact duplication. After the basic wing shape is complete, refinement becomes the focus. Small gaps between the lashes and eyeliner can make the look appear incomplete, so gently pressing the tip of the eyeliner into the lash line helps fill those spaces. This step gives the illusion of fuller lashes and a more polished finish. If needed, the thickness of the line can be adjusted slightly, always keeping the inner corner thinner and the outer corner more defined. Mistakes are common, even for experienced makeup users, and knowing how to fix them without starting over is part of mastering winged eyeliner. A pointed cotton swab dipped in micellar water or concealer can clean up edges and sharpen the wing. This technique also helps create a crisp, professional finish, especially under bright lights or high-resolution cameras. Instead of feeling discouraged by small errors, treating them as part of the process makes the experience more enjoyable and less stressful. As the eyeliner begins to set, it is important to let it dry fully before blinking excessively or applying mascara. This prevents smudging and preserves the sharpness of the wing. Lakmé eyeliner is designed to be long-lasting, but giving it a few seconds to settle ensures maximum durability. Once dry, the eyeliner becomes resistant to fading, making it suitable for long days, events, or filming content. For those transitioning their look from daytime to evening, the wing can be slightly intensified. A second layer added only to the outer corner can create a more dramatic effect without overwhelming the soft glam aesthetic. Pairing the winged eyeliner with long, voluminous lashes enhances the eye shape even further, drawing attention to the precise flick at the outer edge. Practicing this technique regularly builds muscle memory. Over time, the hand becomes steadier, and the process feels more natural. What once took several attempts begins to take only a few minutes. Confidence grows with each successful application, and winged eyeliner transforms from a challenging task into a signature element of personal style. This step-by-step approach proves that achieving professional-looking winged eyeliner is not about perfection but about understanding technique and trusting the product. With Lakmé eyeliner, the process feels controlled and achievable, allowing creativity to shine. The result is a clean, lifted wing that complements glowing skin, soft glam makeup, and an overall polished appearance, setting the stage for the final touches that complete the look. The final stage of makeup is where everything comes together, transforming individual steps into a complete, polished look. After mastering basic face makeup and applying advanced eye makeup, the finishing touches define the overall style, longevity, and impact of the makeup. This stage is not just about adding more products, but about balance, confidence, and understanding how makeup works in real life, on camera, and in different lighting conditions. For beginners, learning how to finish a look professionally is just as important as learning application techniques. Lips play a crucial role in completing the makeup look. When the eyes are bold or detailed, keeping the lips soft and neutral creates harmony. Nude glossy lips are a perfect choice because they add freshness without overpowering the eye makeup. Before applying any lip product, preparing the lips is essential. Gently exfoliating removes dryness, while a nourishing lip balm hydrates and smooths the surface. Lip liner can be used subtly to define the natural lip shape, preventing gloss or lipstick from feathering. A light layer of nude gloss or lipstick brings the entire look together, adding elegance and softness. Once the makeup is complete, setting it properly ensures longevity and comfort. Setting spray is a powerful tool that many beginners underestimate. A few light sprays help melt all the makeup layers into the skin, reducing the appearance of powder and creating a natural finish. It also improves wear time, making the makeup last through long days, events, or filming sessions. Choosing a setting spray that suits your skin type, whether hydrating or mattifying, enhances both comfort and appearance. Understanding lighting is a key professional skill that separates everyday makeup from camera-ready makeup. Makeup can appear different under natural daylight, indoor lighting, or studio lights. Soft glam makeup is especially versatile because it adapts well to various lighting conditions. Checking makeup near a window helps identify any harsh lines or uneven blending. For those creating content for YouTube or social media, slightly enhanced definition ensures the makeup looks visible on camera without appearing heavy in person. Adjusting intensity based on lighting builds confidence and prevents over-application. Presentation and posture also influence how makeup is perceived. Confidence changes the way makeup looks on the face. Standing tall, relaxing facial muscles, and embracing natural expressions allow makeup to enhance rather than mask beauty. Beginners often focus too much on flaws, but makeup is about celebrating features rather than hiding them. When confidence is present, even simple makeup looks refined and attractive. Makeup for different occasions requires flexibility and understanding. The same soft glam base can be adapted for daytime, evening, or special events with small adjustments. For daytime, lighter eye definition and softer lips create a fresh, effortless look. For evening, deeper eyeshadow tones, stronger eyeliner, or added lashes increase drama. Learning how to modify a look rather than completely change it saves time and builds versatility. This adaptability is especially useful for beginners who want to get the most out of their makeup products. Long-lasting makeup is a common concern, especially for beginners who struggle with fading or creasing. Touch-up techniques help maintain a fresh appearance throughout the day. Carrying blotting papers removes excess oil without disturbing makeup. A compact powder can refresh the T-zone, while a small brush helps reblend eyeshadow edges if needed. Lip gloss can be reapplied easily, restoring shine and hydration. These simple habits ensure the makeup remains polished without feeling heavy. Mistakes are a natural part of learning makeup, and understanding how to fix them builds confidence. Uneven eyeliner can be corrected with a cotton swab and a bit of concealer. Excess blush or contour can be softened with a clean brush or light powder. Eye makeup fallout can be cleaned without ruining the base by gently brushing it away. Knowing how to fix mistakes removes fear and encourages experimentation. Makeup is also deeply connected to self-expression and emotional well-being. For many beginners, makeup becomes a form of creativity and self-care. Taking time to practice makeup can be relaxing and empowering, allowing individuals to connect with their personal style. There is no single definition of beauty, and makeup should never feel like a rulebook. Learning techniques provides guidance, but personal preference shapes the final result. For those aspiring to create beauty content or grow a channel, consistency and authenticity matter more than perfection. Viewers connect with real experiences, including learning curves and growth. Showing progress, sharing tips, and being honest about challenges builds trust and relatability. Soft glam makeup, with its elegant and approachable style, is ideal for beginners and content creators alike. As the makeup journey continues, practice becomes the most valuable tool. Each application improves blending, placement, and confidence. Over time, advanced techniques become easier, and personal style becomes clearer. Completing a makeup look is not just about appearance but about how it makes you feel. When makeup enhances confidence and creativity, it becomes a powerful form of self-expression. By combining well-prepared skin, advanced eye makeup, and thoughtful finishing touches, beginners can achieve a complete, professional look. This final stage celebrates balance, individuality, and confidence, proving that beauty is not about perfection, but about embracing and enhancing what makes each person unique.